Greetings, good morning. Welcome to the Monday Morning Motivation episode number 10. And today we are going to discuss the topic break the comfort zone. Imagine you are working in a company and you are very happy with your current job and role. Then it's time to break that. Go and ask for more work or new role or additional responsibility. When I say growth, I'm not talking about your promotion or more money. I'm talking about more respect, more value you can give to your company so that the designation and salary comes automatically. Okay. So if you're in a comfort zone for the last 1 year, you are happy with your current role, break that and ask for more work or more new experiments. Take some new experiments. If you're an entrepreneur and very comfortable with your current set of product and service, and you have some key customers who are giving you 60-70% of your business every year without any new additional effort, then start breaking it. Okay, if 60-70% of the business comes from one or two customers, then you are in the risk. Start thinking about how to get new customers, or how can I create some new product or service so that if something happens to my current product or service, you are still protected. Friends, whether you are a company or you are an individual person, if you are happy with your status quo, then it's time to break that and put yourself in a new uncomfortable position which may last for a few quarters, and then you'll get comfort to it. And that's how we grow, my friends. All the successful people, all the successful companies have disrupted themselves in order for growth. So each one of us think about how comfortable are we in our current role or our current business for this year, and we are looking for the new year coming up. Let's disrupt ourselves and grow faster and better. Have a great day. Meet you next week in the Monday Morning Motivation.